Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm coming at you guys with another video. Actually, this is me upgrading my PC graphic card. I have this one here. I think this is the 580, but I'm upgrading to the newer version of the Radeon RX 55 XT with 8 gigs of RAM, DDR6, 4.0 PCIe support. This actually can shoot up to 4K. I mean 4K and higher. Trying to box when I'm trying to be in this video. But excuse my cat, y'all. He's just trying to get a little scrap on. But I'm upgrading this here to that. This is a powerful PC I got here. I got the AMD Ryzen 9. This is the newer version. I think this one is the 3800. I'll show you guys the box and the specs. I actually put the specs what I have of this whole motherboard, graphic card, RAM, and you already know the specs here because it's right here in your face. But I'm still gonna put this down on the description box. Box this nigga real quick. But I actually went overkill on the power supply. So the power supply, I have a AX Corsair. AX 1200. Actually, that you don't need that much. To be honest with you guys, you don't need that much. 1200i. But I have Elgato 4K. I might end up swapping this one out for the newer one that just dropped. I know the other one I could probably just plant it in here and just have something run through here or something like that, or I just leave it on top of here. But I am going to try to upgrade this with a water cooling one that you just hit here, and it's going to be right in here. So I'm actually going to probably, while I'm doing this, I might just change this fan. I need something to go out because I know this one go down, this one's going this way. But I mean, there's air to come out that way, but I need both of these. I need one going out. So, but where I have it, I need the air to come down and come out. So I might flip this one around so it could go out. But this right here has definitely got to go. There's no PCI slot, so I had to grab my PCI slot thing to put on for this one because it's take an 8-pin connector. So I could just run it through here and just put it right in there. But I'm gonna show you the back. This do come with a USB type C plug also. Get that, zoom in. So if y'all ever want to play some PC games or whatever, let me know. Leave a comment below. Definitely going to get some PC game. I actually am going to do a little bit more cable management because there's actually more memory I'm going to put in here because I need to put a lot of memory. But I actually have to take this out, pop it out, so I can put the new PCI slot in here, so I could get that in there. And also, a lot of cable management I could do with this thing. I could do a lot with this to have really stable cable management on it. This is the NX. Get that look, NZXT. Let me get that little study. That is with this. I'm actually going to have the specs, and I'm actually going to have this box on the specs down below also. Yeah, the 1200, I went a little overkill with that, but I did that because I want to keep probably, building in this graphic card that I have. I could pretty much max it out, and be really cool. I could update the graphic card. I could do that, but the reason why I bought this one is a budget graphic card. It was like $250, something that's on sale right now. So I bought it so I could get this one because it's not running right. So when I run the 4K on this, it keep making my screen go fuzzy. So I know this is not good enough to support it. So that's the reason why I had to go this route. Putting more memory in there so I can have more memories to do everything and load. So you'll see that on there too. So I'm going to put you guys down and we're going to get right into it. Thank you for watching. Like I said, alright, I just brought my PCI slot right through. so I can get right in there. But let's get right into it and start unboxing this new graphic card to upgrade my PC. But this is the processor I have in here, and it says PCIe 4.0 ready. And that's what I have on this graphic card, USC. That's the reason why I got this one, because I wanted a powerhouse, because I didn't want to have to upgrade it anytime soon or anything else like that. So I said something the wrong one, but this is the 3900X and boost up to 4.6 in max boost. I know you probably could do some other stuff to overclock it, but I am just going to get right in here and start taking this one out, and we can start actually, let's unbox this one first and then start taking this out. So, the reason why I got this graphic card, because I'm gonna be gaming, but I'm not gonna be doing that seriously gaming like I'm like that, because I normally use my Xbox, and I know I can play some of my Xbox games on here. So I want to use this to stream pretty much, and I feel like this is the best graphic card to start off with for a cheap price to stream on. Now I start feeling myself start bottlenecking and getting a little tough and everything. I do that, but you got your PCIe extender. If you need that, I don't think I need it, but I'm gonna put that to the side. Now you got some instructions. Call, things here. The website support. I don't know this. Oh, this is basically my activation code. Once I get for support, this is my activation code. And give you a breakdown. And this is the bad boy here. There's nothing else in this box, so I'll put this to the side. But sorry for the blue lighting. I don't know why it's blue lighting like that. But let's get this out of here. We're going to put this down right here because I am going to be putting this in. So we're going to be dropping this in there. It should be like hanging over this way. But so we got the 8-pin connector, so I just want to test it out and make sure everything is Gucci on there. I don't have it plugged up or anything. It's not wired up, so I can make sure. Oh, drop my PC. Let me get this here. Oh, okay. Alright, I got it. Yeah, that's right. Oh, wait. I might have to use the extender. Let me see. It just look like it fit, but it look like everything ain't going in there correctly. Let me see here. And this do have tape and everything on it, so I'm gonna check that out here. So it's the same exact one. Everything is the same. Why is it not going in for me? Did it split? Oh. Okay. We'll play with that in a minute. I'll get that to work, but let's take the tape off of here. I know I was taking forever on the one, so I'm actually going to just get the tape off of here. got like the copper in there. It's a nice size fan. I think you make a water cooler. I'm pretty sure you could probably water cool this one. Let me take the back off. And it's a little bit more tape. This thing got a lot of tape on it. I know one thing. Now, let me get to the point. We're just going to take that off for now. Let's take this one off and start getting it ready, prepared for the new big boy here. So I'm just going to do my thing here. I want to take, as a matter of fact, let's just take these completely off. Pretty sure that probably need 3 slots to work. It might need the same, so I'm gonna check that out. I like to put stuff to the side when I'm using. Let me see how much space this needs. Pretty much the same. So I'm gonna go ahead and unclip this. Clip it from the back, and should be right out of there, because this is the old one. It's the Gigabyte. This could do a really decent job, but I needed something with more speed, and this only had 4 gigs. Oh yeah, this is the RX 560 gaming overclock edition. But I probably could have overclocked it. I probably did something, but I needed something with more gigabytes, so I'm actually going to put to the side. If anyone wants this, hit me up in my DMs on my Instagram, and I'll probably just give this to you, or I just might just, if you want to give me an offer, send me an offer on my DM. Alright. So this is a little long, so I might have to figure out some movement on here. Because how big this is. Yeah, I want that RGB look. And I have to put that in there like that. It's a little tough. Alright, now I got more real estate. Put that up there. I gotta find a way to get somewhere to put that, but let's get that in here. Actually, let me move it over more so you can see. Alright, there we go. That's not that bad. That's not that bad of a look. Inside here, still got a lot of real estate. It don't jiggle up and down. I am going to, screw those parts in, but this is the main thing I wanted to try to make sure. And I had a little problem putting this in, so I'm actually going to try to see if I can get this in here. I'm back, you guys. I didn't grab the wrong one piece here. I thought I grabbed the right one, but I thought I grabbed the PCIe, and I actually grabbed the CPU one. Let me get that. Focus. I thought I grabbed that one, the other one, but I grabbed this one instead. But I got to actually write one now, so I just had to put these together and actually just drop this right into there. Plug it right good. I was trying to wonder, I was like, man, why it ain't working right? One thing I like this basement here, you could actually just take your power supply and put it down there, so everything won't be all tangled right. I'm actually gonna try to get some color ones, so stay tuned for that. Let me get this back. Add this down in here behind the shroud, so everything won't be in the way. My cards will be okay. And This here, I'm actually going to have that in the back. I'm actually going to try to figure out a way to put that somewhere because I have a, you know, a guy I put here. If you see on my picture on my Instagram, I have a guy here that I put on as one of the, you know, not the Stormtrooper, one of the Luke Skywalker one. But basically, guys, I was just showing you here, me putting this in here, upgrading my graphic card because I want to do a lot more stuff to my. Alright, I'm back. I actually got this on. I ended up getting a graphic card on, and one thing I like about it, it don't lag and it's pretty tight in there. I had to throw out that PC part inside there, right there, and put it down here so I could get it. I actually just upgraded that, and I left these two slots so I could, you know, put my display port and everything in. That part is there. On that part, oh man, I had to look at my watch, you know everything. But the XFX graphic card, we're gonna test it out, use it, see how it works, see if it runs properly. We're gonna get right into it and just start gaming. I got a couple games I didn't know I had on there I could download for free. I'm gonna try to load, especially Tom Clancy, The Division. I already have what is that game called? Gears of War 5. I already have that. Already have that game because I play that a lot. And it was like some other games I seen on a thing. But I'm actually going to show you the back end of this. And actually I wanted to show you this right here, so you can see sort of the full specs that I have here. So it's actually a really decent, powerful card. I'm gonna go test it out, see how I do, see how Tom Clancy, PUBG and everything else. I play that a lot. I'm gonna see how I do in 4K. I'm pretty sure this do 4K. You can shoot in 4K in this one because you can stream up to 8K. So I'm pretty sure this is a beast, and I could have it for a while, and that's one reason why I put it in. And it goes good. Actually, it's a little different. It was like $100 more because I came with the 7. I ended up going with the 9, so it was a little different than that. But you guys, I was just coming to you guys to show you what I was actually updating my PC for my gaming channel and everything else. So stay tuned for that. Like I said before, overkill on some of the things on here, but I'll catch y'all in the next video. And don't forget, like, comment, and sub. More content coming. And like I said before, thank you guys for hitting 1,000 subscribers. Big things is coming. I have a video. Stay tuned. I have a video that I'll be doing for the 1,000 subscribers. So stay tuned for that. And I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.
Share, share, share.